Web top coat and precision glue gels. Thanks so much to all Glitz babes tuning in today. Happy Saturday. Hope you are having a fabulous day. If you are having a day off, have a fabulous day off. If you are working, have a great and productive day today. Floating the no wipe top coat on. And we are going to pick, I'm picking this, choosing the charm from this, and I place it in the tray already. So again, how do you apply your crystal design? Place on the nails a centerpiece. You can do it right in, you can do it right in the middle of the nails. You can do it right closer to the cuticles, or you can do it like on the angle, however you would like your design is gonna be. And then after that, you are placing your centerpiece and then all the other elements. So I'm gonna using the bow from this Cuties kit, limited crystal kit. It's going really fast, everyone, so make sure you grab yourself one. Is like special Mother's Day gift for you. It's not only having, if you are using it for yourselves, congratulations, you're having such a great kit with so many elements. If you are doing it and getting it for yourself, even like asking a loved one to get one for you, such a great investment for your business, and you will never go wrong with this. So I'm gonna go ahead, see if I can pick the silver bead. Is cool though. Okay, gold or silver? The one is just good. Gold. I'm gonna stick with gold. You can alternate doing gold and silver beads. So you see when I place a bead on, because I like it looks like a more of like a jewelry look. But if you don't want any beads, or if you're doing for your clients, don't have to put it on. That's it. Super easy, and it's compatible together. All of them complement each other when you are getting etch and every single crystal kits, because we not only creates all the looks for you, but also is all the tutorials, so it's make it easy and fun for you to create a lot of different design and look for your clients. Save you a lot of time, because we are already work hard, so then you do not have to. All right, so I'm happy with this, but I'd say as you don't want anything else, don't want crystals, you just want chamfer foil and marbles, or even like just want a couple of crystal on, you can definitely do that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill this for 60 seconds.